In this video, I'll guide you through sending money and Monopoly Go. Let's dive in. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your device and log in to your account. Currently, there isn't a direct feature to send money or dice. However, I found a workaround using the shop. Log into your friend's account, then navigate to the shop through the menu. Scroll down to find money packs available for purchase. Buy one of these packs using your own banking information. Effectively, you're purchasing money for your friend by using your own account. While this workaround isn't ideal, it's the best option for now until a direct sending feature is added. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.